Good afternoon, everyone. I am Praveen, doing my first year in BTech AA and DS, and I welcome all of you to this Extramural lectural series of Student Edition. Here, I am gonna speak about force acting on life. So, guys, what is force? Force is strength or energy as an attribute of action or movement. In whatever the ways we take, we need certain force to be applied. It may be any physical force or it may be any mental force. A thing which we need to do, we must apply a force, else without putting any force, there won't be any action or there won't be any movement. And hence the basic of theory on human life has always been attached with physics. Research says Newton's laws are simulative. So why they are simulative? So are we living under simulation? So what would be the reason if research is true? These are the three basic questions which you can ask after hearing that word. Researchers say Newton's laws are simulative. Why we are including Newton's laws here? Let me see. Why researchers say life is simulative? According to study in human psychology by American Psychologists Association, about 40% of people's daily activities are same, and this is because of mainly there are two types of mindset in human beings. One is tensional mind, another one is habitual mind. What is the basic reason in sense? Tensional mind in sense, we do something out of our hard work. Habitual mind, we do something out of our comfort. But day by passes, and our mental forces get attached with habitual mind. Because we always think must be something easier for us. It must be getting very easily in a easy manner, or something like we should not put we will think that we should not put more hard work to get suitable result. That is why habitual mind uh, blending all our willing force and drives us to relaxation. If our tensional mind comes into act, and if we use our tensional mind, then all our results will be successful.